Welcome to Adulting Without Supervision, where today we're going to look at the NeverLeak wall-mounted hose reel. To start off, we're going to go ahead and use some pipe tape to prep our faucet. We're going to go ahead and attach this short hose that came with our hose reel. The holes that you see in the siding now are from the previous attempt. I tried to use the screws that came with the kit. They really weren't long enough to bother with. I'm kind of disappointed, so I went ahead and just used some of the screws I had at home. Just going to go ahead and use the pipe to begin to prep for the garden hose. We're going to prep this port for the other end of the small hose that came with the reel. If you're like me and you have the cloth hose, you may want to go ahead and turn the water on as you're rolling it up. Otherwise, when you try and turn the water on after you've already wound it up, it has a hard time coming through because everything's crushed. Well guys, that's another one of the books. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll talk to you later.